Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is on restore number 115. This restore is for Mike up in New York. I'll be shipping it to him probably one day next week. It is restore number 115, 1958, 18 horsepower, FD12. I've got her completely apart, cleaned. She was already run and tested before I put it together. I originally got a call from Mike. He wanted a 10 horsepower 1958. Mike is collecting all the different horsepowers from the 3, the 5.5, 7.5, 10 and 18, and he's missing the 10 and 18. I had an 18 horsepower here that had a frozen power head on it, and he had me put his name on it. Well, I went to San Antonio and made a pick about a month ago, and I found a pristine looking 18 horsepower 1958. So I put that one together for him. I got it completely taken apart, cleaned, painted, prop, stern bracket, lower unit, gear case completely resealed, pressure tested, impeller change, power head tested good with compression, rewind starter rope, all the painting, completely rebuilt the magneto, rebuilt the carburetor. He wants to keep it a 2-line. And he also asked me if I could restore him a matching tank for it. So I told him I would. Well, when I got to looking at it, I found a guy on Facebook. His name is Elton Duffy, the Wisconsin gas can man. And he restores gas cans, and I just messaged him through Facebook. And he sent me a completely restored matching 1958 Johnson Moundmaster gasoline tank. I mean, look at this job Elton did. Brand new hoses, fittings. I'm sure he's re-gasketed everything. I couldn't, got to recognize a master when you know one. And I got this tank from Mike from Elton Duffy. I highly recommend him if anybody needs a gas tank. Got the hood all decaled and painted up, ready to start the reassemble job, which I will probably start this afternoon. Mike, hopefully your motor will be ready next week. All right, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I did. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. We're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!